Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a pair of binoculars. This one is by Cason. And now we're looking at the front side of the packaging where we see various use cases in which you'll be using this particular binoculars. And they'd like to say something about the magnification, even though the ratio of the magnification is not explicitly mentioned. And on either side, you have different extracurricular activities or other outdoor activities for which you'd find these pair of binoculars to be useful. There's boating, yachting, sports, bird watching, auto racing, horse racing, hunting, theater, beach, and travel. On the back side of the packaging, you have a little imagery that tells you exactly what it achieves. It provides magnification at a distance, and that's about it for most of the external packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's on the inside. So first you have the user manual. Now these happen to be central focusing binoculars, so the adjustment knob is right in the center. And obviously there will be some diopter adjustment on each of the eyepieces. You should always read the entire user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. Aside from that, you have an example of the various settings that you can do with the binoculars and what results will be achieved once you do that. It's a nice infographic. Again, this goes along with the user manual, and you should read that and understand that in order to figure out exactly how the device functions. Then you have the binoculars. This comes in a nice airsealed packaging, so you know they're taking care of the device. On the inside, rugged cover that can go along with it, and there's also a little bit of extra length on the carrying band. It's also foam padded. Finally, let's come to the binoculars themselves. It's got protective lens caps, which is always a nice thing to have. So here you have it. You have grips on both sides of the body. On the underside, you have little loops through which you can hook your neck strap into. Then you can see a little index over here pointing to the diopter adjustment ring. So the diopter adjustment ring is only on one side, and you can see it over here. Right now it's marked to 0. Then you can go on the negative side or on the positive side. Then this is the focus ring, the central focus ring. When you move it about, you can see that the entire eyepiece moves back and forth. So right now it's most extended, and as we move it in, the entire assembly comes down. So that's how you adjust the focus. Rather, the magnification is obviously fixed. Then over here you have the back end of the central axis, onto which you can see a little marker. This is the interpupillary distance marker ring. So if your eyes are farther apart, you bring it to this level. If your eyes are closer, you bring it to this level. Then the last thing that happens to be on the device is the tripod mount. There's a little cap that comes off, and on the inside you have the standard mount which goes on tripods. So if you happen to have one of these little right-angled mounts, adjustable right-angled mounts, or a ball head for that matter, you can use it with this pair of binoculars and mount it onto a tripod. So that's it for the unboxing of binoculars by Cason. And if you're wondering about the magnification of this pair of binoculars, then it's 8x40, 8 for the eyepiece lens and 40 for the objective on the front. So that's it for this particular unboxing of the binoculars by Cason. Thank you for watching.